Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tunkiwala, prosthodontist practicing at Khar West in Mumbai. I did my BDS in Nair Hospital and finished my post-graduation in prosthetic dentistry from GDC Bombay in 1998. And the decade after I finished my masters, I saw that in private practice, there's a big disparity between what I was studying in the college and what was the real-time patient requirements. My quest for bridging the gap between what the patient needs and what the textbook offered set me on a path of global continuing education with various organizations. The most noteworthy for me was the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, through which I achieved my accreditation in 2011. I speak to you today to announce the conduction of a very major global implant conference called the World Implant Expo, which is going to happen from 26th to 28th November 2023 in Kochi. The conference is unique because the theme is based on complications and managing them. And in such conferences, dentists really get to learn a lot. We all on stage and on social media try to bring our top drawer cases in front of the audience so that we can showcase our work and our strengths. But in conferences like what we are going to do in Kochi, it's going to be highlighting our weaknesses, highlighting our errors, and giving you strategies on how to prevent them and how to overcome them. I am going to be speaking there on the podium on a topic which is very close to my heart. It deals with the errors in immediate implant placement and loading. And I will present to you 10 rules which you should fulfill or keep in mind so that with immediate placements and immediate loadings, you will not create any errors and succumb to failures. So join us in Kochi in this November from 26th to 28th for the World Implant Expo. See you there.